What's going on, guys? This is the Decoration Demon here, and today what I have for you is an unboxing, setup, and demo of the new, for 2026, Crackles the Clown. So, some key standouts about this guy is that he is over 6 foot tall, outdoor rated, he has head movement, and then his face opens for a really cool jump scare effect. So without further ado, let's open it up and see what we got. Here's an overview of all the parts, starting with the base, the leg poles, the torso frame with control box, the back piece, some sticks which are in the box right now, the adapter, shoes, leg foam, arms, hands, head, pants, shirt, collar, and instructions. Your first step is to snap lock on the 2 leg poles into the base and slide over the shoes, leg foam, and pants. Your next step is to snap lock on the torso piece, slide the pants over the hip loop, and plug the adapter into the control box. And now would be a good time to look at his control box. Here's a good look at the control box. It has a spot to plug in the adapter and a try me button. It has volume control, which I'm gonna have about there. And then it could be in the on, off, or sensor position. I'm gonna have mine on sensor. Your next step is to slide the shirt over and use the fork-toe connections on the arms and hands, which the hands will have a cotter pin to keep it in place. Your last several steps is to snap lock on the head, attach his neck ruffle, slide in the back frame, wire him up, patch him up, stake him down if you're using him outside, plug him in, and you are done.
Welcome to my lonely circus. Do you want to see a magic trick? Ta-da! What do you think? For my next act, I'll make you disappear. Yeah! I'm so happy you're here. I'm so excited, I could burst. Surprise! Now it's time for the real show. I saved the grand finale just for you. Now try not to scream too much. Yeah. Something's missing, but the show must go on. I'll tell you what's missing. A few more victims.